Do you want to draw something as cool as the stuff I'm showing you on screen, but you just don't know how to draw and you just can't seem to find anything helpful on the internet? If this is you, stay tuned because I'll show you how, and if you practice hard enough and persevere, you might be able to pull off something as cool as this. So with that said, let's get into it. The first thing I recommend you doing is getting an understanding of the human anatomy. And you're in luck because I have a whole series on it which I'll link in the description and put in the cards above. If that's too much for you, then watch what I do now carefully because it's vital. I'm doing a quick sketch on the whole body and I start off with boxing my figure to give me the correct proportions. Now that that's done, we can outline and create the form, and then after that, the little details. Keep in mind that this is a quick sketch and it is in no way perfect. Once you get this down, then the only thing you can do is go brain dead and just doodle and practice. The key is repetition. Doing this will help you draw from memory like I'm doing now. If you can draw something from memory, you can manipulate the form in any way you desire. Once this becomes muscle memory, then you will gain much more confidence, trust me. And you'll be able to play with color to make your art look super cool like I showed you in the beginning. And that was the video. I really hope this helps you out as a beginner who wants to learn how to begin. If it did, please consider subscribing, leaving a like and dropping a comment because I'm always interested to hear from you. If none of this made any sense to you, then to summarize, first gain an understanding of the human anatomy, then try boxing out and creating human figures and forms and keep practicing them until you can draw them correctly from memory. If you do that, you can manipulate the form and do some crazy cool things. But that's all from me. See you next time.